everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Axis Bank credit card for online transactions. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.axisbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of axisbank.com. Go to the login section by pointing over your mouse to the login tab and then click on the login link right next to your personal or corporate option. In order to log into your account, enter your Axis Bank account's password and username in the text boxes. Enter your login ID or your customer ID, your password, or you can also select debit card number option or MPIN option and fill in the rest of the information according to your selection. If you've forgotten your login information, you can click on this reset here link and follow through the instructions to reset to a new credential. Right after you are done, under login directly to, select credit cards and click login. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to end up in your credit card account for Axis Bank. Select the activate button in order to go through the account activation process. That is how you'll be able to activate your Axis Bank credit card for online transactions. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.